So you mentioned promotion methods. What kind of promotion methods are you talking about?
Actually, as in any market, there are a lot of promotion methods, and China have, of course, own specialty. But I think the pyramid of the marketing is still the same. So first, when we go to the market, we advise to companies become systematic, and not just gamble with the different promotion methods. And systematic, what it means for us, that we usually try to build a sales funnel and then test it. And the first level of testing is usually to get a search engine leads. When we go to the search engine, we use the hot keywords and we bring it to the sales funnel. It can be a lead generation, it can be e-commerce, and then we see how it's convert. Because if something fails, there are only two things can fail. It's either the marketing campaign or the offer itself. So we adjust the offer, we adjust the campaign, we got the results, and then we got it working. So then we start to move to the second layer. And the second layer, we usually go for the content promotion. So we start to, in a different social media, to develop the channels. In the channels, we start to generate the content. We also have a community engagement. And through that, we see how the audience of the channels is converting to our existing, already tested sales funnel. So in that, we know the sales funnels works. So it's either our audience or our content. So we adjust those until we got the desired conversion rate. And then only we can move further. Then we start to move further, which is now very popular, influence marketing. And a lot of companies want to jump first in influence marketing, but unless you tested your sales funnel, unless you know that your even social media content marketing works, influence marketing can be just like a gambling. You just gamble that, and problem is, nice thing if you got the results, you are happy. You're getting leads, you're getting sales, but if you don't have any way to actually go and analyze what went wrong. But if you done those level number 1, level number 2, basically search engine keywords, you go to the second level, make a content marketing on your sales channels, and then you go to the influence marketing. You know that those 2 levels work. So if influence marketing doesn't bring you result, it's either the audience of this KOL, or it can be the method how he packaged the content. So in that, we can go and, again, change the audience of different, to just use the different KOLs, or choose the packaging method, so how he bring it up, and again, test it back. And by testing, continuous testing, we find the most optimal way for the conversion. And influence marketing is not a one hit. It's usually that we try to create it wire. So we create a seed marketing of using different influencers in the same time to cover the audience. Because the main idea, I think everybody know, that when it's come on TV, you see the advertising. You see the advertising on TV, but you're not reacting. It requires you at least 5 times to see it until you this call to action start to work on you. One time is not enough. So same here, that if you start to hear it from different influencers and from different places, first of all, the platforms itself, like a Chinese TikTok is Douyin, for example, it starts to promote it more. In the same time, people start to react better. So, but again, it has to be systematic, and you have to start building it from layer to layer. Otherwise, it becomes gambling.